Alright, Brian, give me one thing from Man Up 2012 that you learned.
One thing? Gosh, man. I can't do one thing.
Alright, well, give me something.
There's so much. I know that we can't do it alone. We can't do it alone.
Obama in me, the hood won't pop, hip-hop wanna see the common in me. And since it's a senseless contradiction, I end up a misfit trying to fit in. This ends when I stand up and see the hands of the standard. Holy is the Lamb, huh? Now we holding you to man up, cause we were made in His image. Start looking at what you came from.
On that note, where we at, Ryan? Yeah. Oh no, I jumped off, my ankle passed. So this is probably going to show about 6 months from now, when we're already dead. Nothing like that.
But my dream is the rise of we chasing the prize of the king of the bad boss. But we fed away, now we uncanny. We lose and we really got the blues like Navi. I wanna celebrate the news, it's what's happening. Fellas, let's elevate, we do it the live.
They lie, old head said, boy, get your shine on. And if a sucker try to block you, get your 9 home. And what I heard you gotta do to be a man now. Stand up for yourself, so I took it in my hands now. And that's the problem, man, we busy trying to solve it all while we walking dead. And somebody bring the coffin. Boy, drop peach fuzz, now you think that you a man. Cause you feeling yourself, you need to man up.
We're in Mississippi. We're at his aunt's house.
We're not gonna get any sleep.
And they've been really hospitable, but there's a problem.
Everything here looks like paranormal
exactly
activity.
like Paranormal Activity 3. I'm talking like creepy attic room.
Oh, this is go over there too.
And you know, creepy little teddy bear picture, a mirror, a cradle, and then a little secret door right here where the girl goes in and gets locked in.
There's 2 of them.
So
Hey,
yeah.
Ryan, is there something you should tell us?
If anyone comes, I'll just beat him with my lap dance.
Okay, so
Look at Braxton.
we need to put Brian in the safest place in the house so that he doesn't die.
And I don't think it's going to be any better, but you don't get service in the house.